in this video we're gonna check the size of a POCO F4 and compare it to my hands. So right here to comparison I have a coin, so we can compare on how small or big my hands are. Now I'm gonna pick up this device and show you it from all angles. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.